So it's easy way to find out if it's the line sucking air or the problem with the pump. It has no calls, but the truck is not start. So let's see. We're checking electrical, everything, so it's fine. Now let's see if the pump is good or the line is sucking air. What we do is we put a straight view to the pump and see if it's gonna start. If it starts, so that means it's something wrong from the filter to the back. If it don't start, that means it's the pump. Alright? That's how we do. See, we're gonna put fuel straight to the pump. It's going to the pump, and the pump is gonna send it to the rail and see if the truck starts. Alright? Let's see if the truck starts now. I gotta let them to charge the cummins. See, that's the cap that you gotta remove it. You gotta turn. Okay? And that's the pump. We're replacing a fuel pump. Installing the pump. Cummins IXC